It's Conor here, 4 years from now, surrounded by all the app makers, mobile phone producers, batteries, everything to make mobile communication. Here we got Seat car company talking about how they're changing mobility. Mobile World Congress brings 130,000 people into Barcelona over these 4 or 5 days. One of the biggest events anywhere in the world. So if you're around, let me know this week. So this is my thoughts on how to not waste your life and time, which is what I remember my first time I came to a conference like this as an entrepreneur. We got a stand, we paid our money, we sat there and we waited. No one came and spoke to us. It was miserable and we thought we were doing something wrong. We were doing nothing wrong. We just had not prepared well for the event. How to actually make good use of a conference, because I can see so many people here just waiting at their little booths and no one is coming by. And for 10 years of my life as an entrepreneur, we used conferences and events as part of our business, whether it was in the private jet business or looking for franchisees for some of our businesses. And there's a couple of things I learned about how to make use of events like this. Because if you just show up and wait for people to come to your booth, it is a waste of your time. The only way that a conference like this makes sense is that you know who you want to meet before you've connected, before you've come. You let them know you're going to be there. And when you're here, you have a quick coffee, take a selfie, and then a week, 2 weeks later, you can reach out by phone, and that connection is now stronger. Find out who's on the panels and reach out to them months before. Meet speakers before their speech, not afterwards. You know, what'll happen, on the stage here, we had a group of people giving a speech, and as soon as they finish, 20 people line up and they want to speak to each of them. What you'll find is before they step onto the stage to speak, no one is waiting to speak to them. And there is nothing that will get you connected to someone better than sitting down with them just before and say, hey, I've come to see you, it's going to go excellently. So meet the speakers before they step on the stage. So get yourself onto panels if you're going to go to a conference. But in order to do that, you're going to need to prepare for an event like this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months before. I think on a conference like this, what you want to do is get a list of the attendees, the speakers, the panelists, a couple of months before the event. To the speakers, to the panelists, you can reach out on LinkedIn and just let them know that you've seen their speaking, you're looking forward to meet them, and they'll connect. If you look through the participant list, don't wait till you're here to connect to them. Connect a month before, a couple of weeks before. And when you're here, make sure you've got an agenda where you've already agreed coffee in the morning, day 1, coffee in the afternoon, day 2. So you're not here sitting waiting. Because the worst way to use a conference like this is just to show up, sit on your little desk and hope that people will come up to you. The success of a conference like this is reach out to people months before, weeks before. Use LinkedIn. LinkedIn is gold in terms of reaching out, creating connections so that when you come here, you're not coming as a stranger. You're coming and you've got a list of 10, 12, 15 people that you know over the couple of days while you're here. You're going to have an opportunity for a short conversation. You're not going to sell anything here. Over the course of the 2 hours that I've been here, I've taken 6 selfies with different people that I've known just around. Had a quick 2-3 minute connection. How are you? How are you doing? But I know that if I reach out to them in the next week and the next month, that connection is just going to allow us to do something that maybe we wouldn't have done if we hadn't connected here. But don't try and sell stuff when you're in the conference. This is a place to connect to people, and you got to do your work in the weeks and months before through LinkedIn to know who you're going to connect with. Connect, just have a conversation. How you doing? What have you seen? Who have you met? Who else is here? Who else should I meet? Have a drink, find the next one. And if you can have those just meetings with 12, 15 people while you're here, a week from now they'll be much more receptive when you reach out and then you make a bigger request. And that's really why you use a conference like this, to build your network. You're not going to sell anything while you're physically here, but you're going to build connections, and next year you won't be a stranger. The following year you won't be a stranger. Signing out 4 years from now. Cheers. So thanks for your subscribes, comments. If you're at a conference like this, or if you've had success at a conference like this, let me know, what are your secrets for making good use of conferences like this for your business, for making connections. Have a good one.